Hey, no, I don't want to tell anybody what to do.
67?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. How pretty is that? Nevada Duce. Nevada personalized license plate. Because it's a Chevy 2.
Got some big tires on the back.
Got the Camaro steel wheels on it. Camaro caps. Yeah, bucket seats. Chevy 2 insignia on it. Oh, we got a real hot rod. We got gears and pedals. Yo.
You gotta be able to shift.
Yeah. Is that an old 4-speed, or has that been is it upgraded to 5-speed now?
It's a 6.
6-speed? Oh, yo. Cruising gears, yeah.
There's a 3 on the column originally.
She can do everything. She wax it.
Originally 3 on the column?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I put a 5-speed in it and ran that for years. And then
Yeah, it's like, you know, I look at her and then I go, there's no...
What's that?
No tubs under there?
Yeah, mini tubs.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Because I go, man, I was never able to fit anything like that into mine with just the stock. But that's...
No, they don't fit much in it.
Yeah, they don't. They don't.
Wait, was it an original 6-cylinder car?
6-cylinder, 3 on the column.
Yeah. That's why it's a Chevy 2 and not a Nova.
Exactly. Yeah, and the subs, you can hardly tell.
Oh, yeah, you can't. I was looking.
Still looks stock.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I was looking underneath.
The battery in
there, I
the
go, where
trunk
are
for the
they?
light distribution.
That's great.
Yeah.
Big difference. I got 3 1535s on there.
Uh-huh.
It's got a,
No, that's a piece.
it's got a sneaky tub to it.
11 inch.
What gear you got?
She got the...
How about that? Chevy 2.
No, it's got a...
V8, is it?
Whoa! Look at that. That's a nice looking 6-cylinder.
Oh, look at that.
Comes with loose covers and all.
Yeah.
That's all that
Brand new.
vibration.
I got to paint it when I had to cut it.
Yeah.
And I peeled the friggin' paint off with my tape.
Oh, man.
I was like, you got to be kidding me. So I'm gonna paint this the same color as the car.
Oh.
You know, we should have really swapped that into my G8 and let you have the regular LS3. Yeah, that's a...
Is that an LS
Hot
motor?
cam. LS3 with a hot cam, yeah. So instead of the 430 horse, it's 495.
495 ponies sitting under this
And
hood.
these cars are light.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it works real well in there.
Yeah.
You got traction bars back there?
No, I got ladder bar suspension and
Okay.
tied the frame.
So you no wheel hop then? No.
I can always remember what it's called.
Oh, that car.
No, they haven't really got it. I just this is the first drive in with the regular oil. I just did change the brake-in oil yesterday.
There you go. You see it on YouTube later. Yeah. Your name?
I'm Steve.
Steve, I'm Dano.
Good to meet you, Dano.
Good to meet you, Steve. Yeah. Love
You
it.
here? You got a
Well, I'm out of
California?
yeah, I'm out of Huntington Beach.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just extended coronavirus stint out here. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. What else you gonna do?
Yeah, nothing going on back home. So,
Exactly.
in fact, down at Derek's yesterday, there was only a few people.
Yeah, I didn't know anybody be here. That's why
Yeah.
I got here late. I wasn't expecting, so we haven't been here in a while.
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't cruise the strip yesterday.
Yesterday, I didn't hear about it.
Yeah,
Weeks ago.
they met at Harley Davidson and they left out of there about 10 o'clock.
I was a little behind that group. I
Yeah.
came in from another group.
Oh, I didn't hear about it.
Yeah.
We did, several months. Shit, it's been 4 weeks now, probably. When did
Uh-huh.
we do the strip that Sunday?
Yeah, in fact, when you come rolling in, I thought there was a Box Nova yesterday, almost the same color combo,
Huh.
but had a turbo underneath that hood there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and when I was first pulling it in, I thought it was the same car, but yeah. How about that? Very, very, very nice Chevy 2. Not a Nova, Chevy 2.